Is Philips a smart TV? Yes, Philips offers a range of smart TVs. Many of their models are equipped with internet connectivity and smart features, allowing users to stream content from popular platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime Video. Philips smart TVs come with either their proprietary Safy operating system or Android TV depending on the model, providing access to a variety of apps, streaming services, and other smart functionalities. Safy Smart TV Platform. Philips smart TVs typically feature the Safy operating system, which is a simple and easy-to-use platform that provides access to a selection of popular streaming apps and online content. With Safy, users can stream services such as Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime Video without needing additional devices like streaming sticks or boxes. While the app selection is more limited compared to other platforms like Android TV, Safy is suitable for those who want a straightforward smart TV experience with essential features. Android TV in some models. In addition to the Safy platform, some Philips models come with Android TV, offering a more feature-rich smart TV experience. Android TV provides access to the Google Play Store, allowing users to download a wide range of apps, including games, music services, and streaming platforms. It also integrates with Google Assistant, enabling voice control and smart home integration. Android TV models in the Philips lineup provide greater flexibility and access to more advanced features compared to the Safy platform. Streaming and connectivity. Philips smart TVs allow users to connect to the internet through either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Once connected, they can access a range of streaming services and online content directly on the TV. Both Safy and Android TV models support popular platforms such as Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and others, making them ideal for those who enjoy streaming content. Additionally, some models support screen mirroring and casting, allowing users to share content from smartphones or tablets directly to the TV screen. In conclusion, Philips offers smart TVs that allow users to stream content, access apps, and take advantage of various smart features. Depending on the model, Philips smart TVs come with the Safy operating system for a more basic smart experience, or Android TV for a more feature-rich platform with enhanced functionality. Whether you choose a Safy or Android TV model, Philips smart TVs offer good performance and are a solid choice for anyone looking for a connected viewing experience.